Project-based learning, or PBL, is a student-centered teaching method in which students gain knowledge and skills by collaborating with each other to respond to an authentic, engaging, and often open-ended problem or challenge. The training is designed to equip teachers with the knowledge and skills necessary to plan, design, and implement their first PBL project with their students. The training targets K-12 educators who are in search of ways to support and increase student engagement and motivation in their classrooms. Each cohort of educators who enroll will form a PBL professional learning community, or a PLC, early in the training to collaborate, support, and provide constructive feedback to each other. Over the course of 4 sequential modules, the cohort will learn what project-based learning is and how it differs from doing traditional projects in their classroom. They will then be guided through the ADDIE process to design, plan, and implement their first PBL projects. Finally, they will learn a tuning protocol to evaluate and provide constructive feedback to each other to improve their projects. Several resources like videos, articles, examples, planning templates, and rubrics will be provided within the appropriate lessons to aid in this process. The homepage houses the course description, an introductory video, and the course learning outcomes. The participants will click on modules to access the learning content. Again, every module is designed to be accessed in sequential order. A naming convention for each page helps the learner navigate the course efficiently. Bloom's taxonomy and the learning objectives drove decisions concerning the types of assessments necessary for the training. Specific verbs were chosen to ensure participants engage with each other and the content in order to synthesize and apply their learning to ultimately demonstrate mastery. As the learner progresses through the course, the assessments provide scaffolding as they progressively move from remembering and understanding to applying, analyzing, evaluating, and creating. Through the process of authentic application, reflection, and drawing conclusions from their own experiences as well as their peers, the participants will reinforce their own confidence in their mastery of the learning objectives. Online discussions, peer reviews, and authentic assessments are appropriately integrated into the course design rather than added on or attached in ways that break up the e-learning experience. Formative assessments like online discussions and peer reviews are used to gauge learner understanding on an ongoing basis, provide opportunities for feedback from peers and the instructor, and highlight potential areas of concern in the course design. In 2.1, for instance, the participants will learn how to write effective driving questions, and a discussion board is used to gather feedback on the construction of their driving questions. I included a link to the rubrics for effective driving questions to help guide the discussion. In Lesson 2.2, the participants will start planning their PBL projects, utilizing a planning template to create and sequence the learning experiences for their students. The assignment at the end of Module 2 is to review the feedback from their peers and the instructor and make revisions before implementing the PBL project with their students. The summative assessment at the end of the training requires the learners to provide a comprehensive analysis of their understanding of PBL by self-reflecting, evaluating feedback, and editing their planning templates once again after implementation. In order to accomplish this task, they will demonstrate a true understanding of PBL through authentic application and their new gained knowledge and skills.